Hello everybody, it is me again, and I am playing some more Terraria with, of course, my lovely assistant, my brother.
Someone.
Uh,
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Hopefully the mic quality is better this time. I think we found a good strategy to do it. But anyways, let's not talk about that, and let's talk about our adventure today.
so in the last one, we killed a bunch of demon eyes and zombies, and we found a guy named Trent, and we even found an abandoned mine, and it had a minecart too.
That was really, really cool.
Yep.
But anyways, today we are going to be loading back into our world, and hopefully doing some more technical terms for our base, and also hopefully go a bit more of some mine. We'll go down mining. Probably. I'm not sure. Anyways, let's load up the world.
So then, I think I click sim money.
That's your character.
Alright.
Let's go. Someone. Hello.
Okay, so we are back in our Terraria world, with our house still fresh as always, and the thing I did not work on because I am such a noob at this game, I can't stack any blocks.
But today I will teach you how to, because today we're going to be expanding the house.
You really don't have to sound like this is kind of like Dora the Explorer or something, where they have a kid's show and they
I will shoot you with this bow.
Good, that's better. That's the better spirit, Tommy. Great job.
Thank you very much. Dang it, that was off pitch. Die for the slime.
Oh, I don't want to kill it. Oh wait, hey, I have another one. Let me kill this one.
Use your sword, dude.
I'm
Did
sorry.
I not explain to you in the last episode how to use your sword?
Tommy, that was literally 2 weeks ago. No, that's not.
Using the sword. Fine.
Do you think I remember?
Well, maybe. This is hurtful.
Anyways, let's just go ahead and do some wood and stuff. Oh, hey, look at that. Pinky?
Pinky? Hey, it's using up all my bow. I am.
Get out of here. Alright, I'm going to use the tin broadsword. Get out of here, Pinky. Get out of here.
You guys,
Get your butt out of here, Pinky. You don't... Oh, hey, look, a demon eye. What the heck? Now I have to fight off Pinky and a demon eye.
well, Pinky really isn't that hard. It bounces at your face. I got the demon eye. You get Pinky.
Oh, goodness. And now there are a bunch of zombies coming up.
I got all the next time. You get Pinky.
Boom. Boom. Ah!
Rip.
Boom! Boom! Come on! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Get out. Yes!
Yes, we got him!
Pretty in pink. I got the achievement.
Oh my goodness, look at the zombie organs, they just fade away!
I got pink gel. Bouncy and
Oh my goodness,
Okay.
I didn't even see them there!
Yeah, me neither.
What have we been doing the past 4.5 minutes? We've just been fighting off zombies. Hey, look at that, a
Pretty
demon
much.
eye.
Well, that's not gonna stop us from building up our account.
Get out of here, demon eye!
Ah.
That is a large demon eye.
Yeah, I did. Advance is dead. And now I'm gonna chop down some trees.
What the heck? Why is there a bird in here? Get out of here!
You don't have to kill the bird. Come on, Ian.
Well, now there are organs. Hey, anybody want some fresh turkey?
It's not even a turkey.
What is it then?
It's like bird meat or whatever. I don't know what kind it is because you never show me the bird.
I don't know what it was even. I never really like hovered my mouse over it. Anyways, should we maybe get to teaching me how to mine or something? Or like
I already taught you how to mine, but today we're gonna teach you how to build. And you'll get good at it because building is actually really So, I'm gonna some acorns, and then the trees will grow back, and then I'm coming over. Hello. Oh wait, I was gonna.
Yeah, got him.
Okay.
All right.
So today I'm gonna teach you how to build. Are you
Yeah.
ready?
Yes, I am.
Then look behind you and get your butt over here. Let me just kill the zombie quick. With my good bow. Alright. Now, first step is getting on top of this building.
Okay.
I'll supply you with all the wood you need.
Ah! Also, how do I shut this door?
Right click.
Now let me shut the other door.
Oh yeah, you're right. We don't want Trent getting hurt. The guy who's basically useless.
Why is there a small demon eye? Or maybe it's large.
Okay, so this structure, the structure below is 6 blocks high. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About this height.
They're almost as short as you, I'm guessing. Oh,
Hey!
it's another
Nice.
bird. It's an owl. Hey, you killed it. Like I
Hey, we can catch it later. We can catch it later. Alright,
Yeah.
for now, let's focus on house building. Now, in order to place blocks, you left click like your sword, but you hover your mouse over the placement of the blocks.
Demon eye!
Man, these guys are really being mean, interrupting our building. We're trying to buy here, and they just like, and they're like, oh, can't have this. And then they just break
Goodness,
their face.
that was insane. I literally lost a full heart.
Oh my gosh, so sad. It'll regen.
Shut.
Okay, so what you do next is you place it right. Is where you move your mouse. You move it to the right. I remember the right of the original wood. You move it to the right, and then you place it in like the air block that you think it would go.
How do I place things again?
You left like swinging your sword. And see? And you keep doing that to each block over and over until you get to this side.
Oh my goodness, come on.
Let's go reckless.
Come on. Stupid. Oh my goodness, that's a tired demon eye. It must get tired from flying around all day.
Pretty much. Actually, no, it's tired from flying away.
Why am I? Tommy, get him, get him, get him.
Yeah, right. Alright, wait. Start
Oh my goodness, I have to go inside. I've literally lost 2 hearts and a part of one.
No regen.
I swear, if there are any more mobs.
Alright, continue building. Remember, it's over the wood block over here. It's like, no. Place it like right where, on the right. Yep, see? Keep going. I got you.
Just keep getting all of them.
Back off, Demon Eye.
I've got my sword. After I build, I might need to stay in here.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so now you just keep placing until you get to the end of the building. Then you can start placing it down.
Yay.
And that's how you build the structure of the house.
Yay! And now there's organs.
Like my predicament was wrong. Can you place, alright. Can you give me my wood back? I accidentally did the blocks too low.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing?
Don't worry. As long as you know how to build now, we will be fine. Wait, am I being too soft? I don't know.
How,
to be honest,
how do I give you your wood again?
you take the wood, you left click the wood in your inventory, drag it out, and then you right click. I just have to make it a bit higher, considering that ours is 6 blocks.
I have to get inside.
Yeah, just take out the zombie on the front doorstep.
There are 2 of them.
You got this, Mia.
That too.
Nice job. And now, you want to know the next step of making your house?
Sure.
It's the wood walls. These are the walls that are like the walls in our house, except excluding. Now I'm going to craft some walls for you.
So we have a wood house? No, we don't.
Here, I'll give you these wood walls, and now you place them on whatever's on the like here, like down there. There's like wood walls. Yeah. Do that.
All right. Can
And
I
you can
just
just go
like go over here and then
Yes.
you'll work? Hold on. Let me
And you can just like hold it down. Just keep going with it. Just make sure not to do it outside, or else I have to fix it with a hammer. That's really annoying.
Good. I'll try my best.
I'm taking care of all the zombies. I also built a way down called we used the platforms before when we went mining in our last episode, right?
What?
We used the platforms before when we went mining in our last episode,
Oh,
right?
Yep. I think so.
I defeated the 50th zombie. I didn't even notice. Well, I can get a zombie band.
Yeah, I was kind of paying attention to that.
It allows us to do a lot more damage against zombies. And that's really
Hey, look at that! It's becoming day again, and there's a hot air balloon. Wow.
Oh my gosh! Wait. Did you run out of walls?
Yeah, I ran out of walls. Can you get me some more walls?
And once we finish this, we'll go back in the mine, hopefully, or we can go exploring on the land. Here you go. Here's some walls.
Thank you. Now I'll go ahead and finish some.
I'll get the torches.
All right, I finished.
And now, for the finishing touches.
Yes, Trent, go. Kill that slime.
Get him. Alright, wait. Alright. So, just place the 3 walls, like, here, where the platform is. You see it? Place, do you have any walls left?
Yep, I have walls.
Just place it where these 3 blocks are, where I'm standing on it. You see how there's, like, a gap?
Yep.
And that is basically it. Now, all we have to do is one thing, and I will attend to it. Alright, and, I just need a little bit more wood, and this house should be complete. Oh my gosh!
Oh my goodness, it's a butt fruit.
A butt fruit? Yeah, to be honest, when I looked at it from first sight, I thought it was a butt fruit. For a second, I'm like, oh my gosh, it is the legendary butt fruit.
It is the burger.
Burger? Wait, how does that make it?
I don't know why, but for some reason I feel like sometimes people associate it with burger. Or I don't know. A YouTuber I know. Why do you always love Good Burger?
I don't know. It just sounds really funny as a movie name.
Now I kind of want to watch Good Burger. Thanks a lot, Tommy.
Good booger.
Yeah, I don't know why. Sometimes my R's get a little bit mixed up.
I am the tech nerd. Tech nerd. Check me out. Check me out.
Are we gonna add another floor to this? Should we add like 10 floors to this house?
Probably. We could.
We could add 10 floors to this house. That would be pretty cool.
Guess what I just checked?
What did you just check?
This house will be suitable for another NPC very, very soon.
Huh. Alright.
Harold the Merchant has arrived.
Harold the Merchant? Who the heck is Harold the Merchant?
Hello, friend. Have a butt fruit.
That's actually kind of
Wobble.
Okay, yep. You can have this butt fruit.
I hope a scrawny kid like
It tastes-
you
it
isn't
tastes
all
like
that
butt.
standing between us and the Cthulhu's eye. Stop.
Wait.
Whoa!
Sword beats paper. Get one today.
Yeah.
Shop.
Look at all this stuff.
Oh
He's
my
a
goodness.
piggy bank, a mining helmet, an iron anvil.
Do I have a bow?
bug net.
The question is, do I have a bow? I don't think I do. Wait, I need a sickle. How do I... Hold on.
A sickle. I don't know.
Piggy bank?
Eh?
There's a piggy bank. Lesser healing potion, lesser mana potion. There are so many items. Wait, bug net, iron anvil?
Dude.
Ooh, I need a shirt. Oh, wait,
Dude, we never have to worry about things ever again. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't have a doubt.
I can just go ahead and use a shuriken.
Nice.
I guess.
What should I buy? Should I buy a piggy bank or should I save up for a mining helmet?
Hold on. You want apples? You want carrots? You want pineapples? We got torches. This is nice. Lots of fire free to store my wares. I like the scenery in the forest. Good view attracts customers.
Alright, I'm placing the piggy bank on our crafting bench upstairs.
Wait, how do I throw this?
You just left it on. Well, you're supposed to angle it up.
Oh.
Okay, so, here, I want to show you something.
Hold on.
Today. Stay a while and buy a thing of happiness. This is nice. Lots of privacy to store my wares. I like the scenery in the forest. A good view attracts customers.
I'm just going ahead and stealing his shurikens. I'm buying his shurikens.
You're not stealing. You're buying. Oh my gosh, there are birds. I need to buy a boat now.
Birds?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, he has a pinwheel?
He's really good. Trent, what are you doing outside? Get back inside, you donkey.
I'm buying everything.
Gordon Ramsay. Trent, what are you doing? Yeah, back inside, you idiot. I hope a scrawny kid like you isn't all that is standing between us and Cthulhu's eye. Where are we?
I have 2 birds in my inventory.
What does he mean by Cthulhu's eye?
Here, take a bird.
I might need a healing potion, by the way, so how about I go ahead? 6? Wait, oh. What? Bird?
I gave you a bird.
Why do I need a bird?
Because it's cold. Oh my gosh, I'm using a pinwheel.
Okay, wait, where does it go? Where does it go? What do I do with the bird?
Paper airplane.
Tommy, what do I do with the bird? Can I throw it?
No, you can't.
Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna eat it.
Paper airplane, go!
Oh no, wait, I got an idea. How about we just let the bird fly around in our house?
Oh, that would be a good plan. Actually, if we get some sand, we can make it a
Yeah, I'm replacing the race with the bird. Wait, is this a punching bag?
No, it's a banner. Oh, and I also want to show you
Banner.
another thing. Look, right click this. Right click the
You
thing.
got a piggy bank?
Yeah, you can place all your gold in it now.
Oh my goodness! Wow, that is amazing.
Just look on the right side of your inventory, and you can see where your coins, ammo, and you hold down shift, and then you left click them.
By the way, Trent's out again.
Oh come on! When do these guys stop being adventurous?
Trent, get back inside, you moron. Get back inside.
I'm gonna catch this cardinal. This cardinal's mine. Hacha!
Maybe I should get another thing from Harold. Oh shoot. Sorry.
No, I missed
Harold, I almost tried to kill you. I'm sorry.
Wait, who did you try to kill? Did you try to throw a shuriken at him?
Well, I accidentally did, but yeah, everything's resolved.
Hey, look, we have a pinwheel now. Someone. I don't think I'm.
Wait, you have
allowed
a
to.
Wait a second. How are you getting all of these things?
Well, I'm just buying it from him.
Where is all of this? Where can I get it?
Oh, it must have been maybe like a 1 minute event. Cause I bought a pinwheel off, which is super cool. Hey, didn't we say we were either gonna go mining or go exploring?
Yeah, sure.
We should stop admiring the beauty of this old man for now.
He is a very old man. I'm thinking what we should do is we should probably get the bird. So I'm going to go ahead and left click. Hold on, how do I release the bird?
You put him.
Good, now he's just going to be flying around in there.
We're calling him Little Birdie.
No, I'm not going to call.
Little Birdie.
No, I'm not going to call him Little Birdie.
He's going to be.
Where's Sam?
Hello, someone, you're back.
Where's
After you got, I think, disconnected.
Where's Sam? Where's Sam?
Oh, I caught him in my bucket. I'm I'm keeping him for now until we get a terrarium.
Can I have him again?
Wait a minute.
I want him again. I want
Wait,
Sam.
you ate Sam?
No, I didn't eat Sam. I just want him again.
Fine. I'll place him down. There we go.
How do I get him?
Wait, catch him in a bug net?
I guess so.
Here,
And
I'll
then,
throw it to him. But do not eat him. Okay?
how do I even eat him?
Well, you left him. But don't. Please. Okay?
Okay, well,
So we can either go exploring the mine or we can head up.
let's head up. I want to see what lies beneath us, or like I want to see what lies ahead of us.
Oh yeah, also guess what? Look at my shiny new goggles.
Oh yeah.
I am so shiny. I got some new goggles that are
You kind of look like a geek. Wait a second. Is that a butt cheek balloon? Is that a butt cheek slime?
no, his goggles just being like join blue team.
Join blue team?
Look over at the side, where all your armor is, and then you click the blue thing on the banner.
I have a gel.
Oh, cool. I have paper airplanes. Go! Paper airplane!
You have a paper airplane?
Yeah. And I'm sending them into the sunset. Hey, you're drowning!
Okay, that was a fun time swimming around in the
What is
pool.
this thing?
Probably filled with like.
I've never seen this thing. It's dead now.
Ah!
Oh, look at this, a new biome!
Hey, penguin, let's kill it!
Ah, no! Look at this! It's a new biome!
Yeah. Actually, I like this biome way better than the original.
Just keep jumping.
It's a nice slime.
Jump up. Jump up. Jump up. Go back, go back. Okay, you got some air, you got some air.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
Hey, it was another one, but this time it was a blue slime. It was a butt
really-
cheek slime, and then the balloon popped and he fell down.
I was really worried that you would drown.
Are you guys David's brothers?
I think we're trying to get revenge on us for trapping.
Well, their friend David was in another Their brother David was in another biome, but they heard about it and now they're angry at us for killing it. And now there are ice slimes now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call this one Erica. I'm going.
Erica, when you're killing her with
Ah! Okay, I'm done.
Eat a lesser healing potion. You click it and then you left click it. No, take them down, take them down.
I'm gonna get you.
Alright.
Boom!
Nice. Let's come back over here and we'll keep exploring. You can do it. I believe in you, somebody. Come on. Yes, let's go.
Oh, I almost fell down there.
Excelsior. Ah, I fell.
Woo! I don't even. How did you even do that? Like that doesn't even make any sense logically. Hey, look at that! It's some slimes. Let me get one.
You get them. I'm tired from kicking their butts. Yeah, get them.
I didn't even take any damage from it.
Okay, I'm making some planks and I'll build over. I don't even know.
Woo! Haha! I did it.
We head across the ocean.
This is an ocean. This is a freezing lake, and we're probably gonna freeze to death.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get hypothermia. We're alive. alive because we're awesome.
Yep, we are.
Just keep plowing through. We'll explore that cave later.
Oh, hey, look at that, a birdie. How about we kill it?
Little birdie. No, you're not gonna be able to catch it.
Oh, and by the way, I'm calling the bird that I have, this bird right here I'm calling him Sammy.
Sammy. Oh, there's a can of worms. And a hurt bag. And an ink.
I need some items from here. I need some items. Interpreted radar, hold on. Oh my goodness, what did I just do? How do I click this?
I'm sorry. I'm a bio. So,
recall potion. I think I'm going to need some of those.
A living wood tree.
I think I'm going to need some of this, so I'm going to get the live one potion or something. And then some wood, I'm going to get some wood.
Check this out, look at the gigantic tree. Look at the gigantic tree.
What tree?
This tree.
This is a tree house, not a tree, bro. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Goodness gracious. Oh, there's another chest. Can I see this? Wait, Tommy, close it. I want to see it. Sorry.
Here.
I'm going to get the lesser healing potions and also more of the recall potions.
You're gonna have that blowpipe.
Mining potions?
Oh, I think it just
Alright. And maybe we'll keep the bottle.
Oh, it's night and there are zombies.
Fish
staff! Oh my gosh!
Oh,
I have a little birdie! I have a little birdie!
wait, you have a little birdie? I'm calling this one Aaron.
Aaron! Aaron's the rescue!
Oh my goodness, no! You were slain!
That is the first death of the series. I did not expect us to make it that far.
Oh my goodness, and now there are just a bunch of zombie organs where... Rest in peace, friend. Rest in peace, brother.
Well,
I will never forget you. But ew, your flesh! Ew, your flesh!
So now I have as much defense as you, someone.
Nice, okay. Wait,
actually, no, I have more defense.
Where can you get some more skins? Like, can you customize a character again?
Oh, man, I don't know.
Hello there! Do you want to sit with me?
Hello. I think
You are so low on health right now. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm not. Oh my gosh.
Do you have a bird nest on your head, or is that a cowboy hat?
No, it's a bird nest. Aaron's on top of me.
Ew, that means it's gonna be pooping all over you again.
Hey! Aaron, I'm sitting.
At least my bird doesn't do that.
Hey, look, we are staring at the wall. We are memorizing it.
Hey, Tommy, look at this.
Hey, where are you going? Hey, man, where are you going?
Nostalgia.
Oh, look out.
Eskimo?
Yeah, there are 2 Eskimo.
Are they actually called Eskimo zombies? I thought they were called ice zombies. Hey, Tommy, come down here, look at this.
What?
Our very first death. Your very
Mighty
first
Knight was turned into a pile of flesh by frozen zombie. Okay, now that's just... Oh, come on.
Brutal.
I was not turned into a pile. Oh, shoot. Nope, no. Get back up to the room. Get back up to the room. Get him, Aaron.
Let me turn him. I'm glad I didn't accidentally kill Aaron.
No, you can't kill Aaron. He's actually a summoner. Or a summoner.
What the heck? Wait, can I get some? I want to get some.
Okay, this is good. Oh my gosh, I almost just died. Help. Defend me. Help.
I am gonna die. Let's go in.
A precise shekel. Wait, can you hit escape in your inventory?
Yep.
Wait. You see your chest plate? Is that in the vanity slot?
My chest plate?
Yeah, on the right.
Yeah.
Click it and put it in the green section. Alright, there. Now you have 1 more defense.
Okay, that's good. my goodness, again? Are you kidding me?
I thought I would survive. I didn't know I was on that low HP. Use your sword,
Supernatural.
You gotta use your sword.
Sorry.
Man, I can't believe it. Like last episode, we had no.
Tommy, I'm sorry, but I don't know how to say this to you, but I stole your coins.
Wait, what?
I got your coins that you dropped.
It's fine. I really don't care about coins this early in the stage anyway.
My brother. Why did this have to happen to you again?
Well, maybe because I'm stupid.
I'm very sorry, brother. I'm sorry I could not defend you. You were always oh shoot, zombie!
You're not dying.
I didn't even take any damage! Yeah!
How are you so good?
I am dancing in a pile of organs. I am dancing in a pile of ice zombie crushed up body.
Why don't you start heading back? It's almost daytime anyway.
Alright.
Wait, is that? Come look at my screen. Come look at my screen. What is this demon? Demon eye.
He's just getting the demon eye.
Aaron's just beating the crap out of this demon eye. He just like, oh my old new shit die you did. I wonder if Aaron has infinite range.
Hold on, how do I use the recall potion?
You just left.
I'm trying.
No, you left click it to equip it, and then you left click it out of the enemy.
Oh my goodness, no!
Dre, what, do you have it equipped?
No, I don't.
Equip it, and then right click it.
How do I do it?
Left click it,
How do I do it?
Equip it, on your top bar,
My hot bar?
Yeah, it's the top bar.
This one?
Yeah. And now, exit out of your inventory, and now click, left click.
Oh yeah, that worked.
And now you're back home. I'm coming back as well.
Hey, look at that! Hey, hello, Tommy. Hello, Aaron. I will kill you now.
Hey, no! You can't kill Aaron. He's a nice birdie.
I know. I'm not going to kill him. Why would I even kill him? He's useless. Well, to me.
Hey! hey, my paper.
You found your paper airplane?
Yeah!
I thought it was gone forever. Hey, look at that! A cardinal! I'll call him.
God! Dude, look! New biome!
I was going to call him Robin, but okay. We're in Arizona!
No, it's a desert biome. Wait a minute. Why is it turning?
Arizona is super hot. I am calling this biome Arizona. Hey, look at that!
Then what's this biome?
A jungle bat.
It's a jungle biome! And why weren't you using your mace during this episode?
I don't know. I wanted to use my mace. Is that a piranha? Yeah, it's a piranha. Hey, look at that! It's the Amazon.
Just hold down your mace and arm to swing your.
Wait, Tommy, it's Rio de Janeiro.
Wait, what?
It's the Amazon.
Oh, the Amazon! Oh, why didn't you just say so? Blah, 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 blah.
Oh shoot, better get out.
Wait a minute, how long is the video before? Cut for?
37 minutes, 38 minutes.
Oh man, that's a lot.
What if we just spawn out for the next? Oh my goodness, what is that? It's a vulture! piece of crap. Get back in the house.
Apples, what carrots? You're like, pineapples, we got tortoise. Does he always say
Trent, come back in the house. Come back in the house right now. Hey, Harold. You want apples? You want carrots? You want pineapples? We got tortoise.
Okay.
Fun, he has a pinwheel. Oh my goodness, now I have a pinwheel.
Oh, cool. Now you can place it outside.
All right.
Long. Ah, my foot. Yay. There's Frank doing out there. Oh my god.
The 50th green slime.
I got a green slime banner.
All right.
That is cool.
Okay. Wait, so Sammy doesn't go on my head, does he?
No, he doesn't. Unless if you're the one who suffers. Then he has to be your head. Bongs. Okay. I think we're just gonna stop with the weird jokes. The pinwheel doesn't move if you put it inside. It only moves when you put it outside.
Oh, should I just?
Yeah. Here, I'll put it on the other side.
Oh wait, I'll do it.
Okay, here. You take a pinwheel.
Because it's my pinwheel, and I want to place it down. You don't get to place it down.
Hey! I was the one who found the pinwheels, you know?
Well, I was the one who found mine. And we have two banners that are just hanging around like it's 1987.
And we have two people, Trent and Harold.
Yep.
Harold's dream is to become a successful business.
And Trent's dream is to get out of the house. Trent, get back in the house, you little piece of crap. Get back in the house right now.
Die, Trent. You will die.
You'll die if you don't get back in the house.
Oh, it's me. Get in the house.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, or else you probably won't wake up tomorrow, or you possibly won't wake up in an hour. I don't know.
Yeah,
But anyways, thank you. Trent, get back in the house, you little piece of